Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm Denise with Lily Pop Love. And if you're new here, we watch Jenny every day, except for yesterday, because I was out of pocket. But we watch her open, and I haven't looked at anybody's videos. I haven't watched her yet. So it's just me watching her and opening our gifts. So come on, let's watch, see what she's wearing today, and it'll be double the fun because we get to open two instead of one. Feel like the double mint gum commercial. Okay, let's see what we have in store for day 14, which was just, ooh, this feels like a charm pack. Oh, won't that be nice? I love a charm pack, yeah.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Day 14,
That's
and
a
it's
pretty
time
sweater.
to see what we have to open for day
What
14.
do we
Let's
have
look
to
in our
open?
box of celebration. All right, right here on the top right now. I don't know how that happened, but we're going to go and look at what's on day 14.
Oh, I always watch her for the open.
Let's see here.
Yes. Oh.
This is a charm pack called Wandering Waves,
Yes,
and it's just adorable. It's by Stephanie Organis for Andover
I wanted
Fabrics.
that.
And I feel like my sweater, like he's wandering a bit on my sweater. I feel like we go together very well. But you know what it means if you're getting a charm pack. So enjoy all these fabrics, feel them and touch them, because you're going to be cutting them up before long.
No, I
See you
don't want
tomorrow.
to. They're too pretty. I don't want to. They're too pretty. I actually wanted this, but I watched the Stephanie Organez, I don't know how to say it. I watched her do that. They call it. It's the Day of the Dead. What do they call it? There's a name for it. In Mexico, the Day of the Dead, and she did the table runner. Like you do snowflakes. It was so pretty, and the colors are so pretty. And we'll go through the charm pack in a minute, because now I don't want to cut it up. Now we get to do number 2. Some of these came like this, so sorry. I don't know what's in it. Oh, it does feel like a project though, maybe. Something kind of hard on the top and something soft on the bottom. That didn't sound right. Okay, let's see. Day 15, what we have in store. All right, Jenny, what do we got? What do we got?
Good morning, everybody. What do you think? Are you naughty or are you nice? It's day 15, and it's time to open that gift, so let's see what we got.
She's too cool for
I
school.
have to take these off to do that. Let's just see here.
She's too cool for school.
Day 15. All
I
right,
love
here
that.
we go.
Oh,
Ooh.
day 15.
I think I know what this is. Let's see. So many things. Oh, yes. So, of course, you guys got this yesterday, and it's darling and beautiful, and we just thought you might like to dip your toes in bag making. I do love to make bags, and this is a patchwork bag right here, and you get the So Light fusible with it, and you get handles and closures and all kinds of things. And let me show you what this bag is going to look like. So here they are, and this is a great bag.
I love a wood handle on a
these
bag.
handles are kind of retro, and I remember my grandma had a little bag like this that she hid her knitting in, and you can do it without, the little sashings, or with. The pattern tells you both ways how to do this. It's just very fun. You get this cool snap that closes it up so you don't lose any of your things. So this is great for taking your projects with you to work on, especially if you want to do anything like English paper piecing or knitting and embroidery. 1 out of every 3 of us crosses over into those other fiber arts. So I'm going to put these back in the
Other
bag.
fiber arts.
Because I have a really special elf
It's the
who's going to
scary
show you
arts.
just how to make this and put it all together. And I'm
I
going
might
to
have
toss
to watch
this
the
off
elf
to her.
this time.
So have fun. Hi, everybody.
Because I did not watch the elf last time, and I'm trying to get y'all a video of the Starlight Table Runner, and ugh, I'm horrible. But it's okay. This, I love a wood handle on a bag. I think this is super cute. It's going to be 9 by 9 by 4, or style 2 is 9 by 10 by 4. One package of 5 print squares. Oh, I got lots more to choose from. A ½ yard of accent. Includes lining and sashing in the ½ yard of accent. 2 14 pieces of fusible fleece. There's 2 in here. 1 set of wooden handles and 1 set of magnetic snaps. Oh, so the handles and the snaps are in here. Oh, because I saw her pulling that bag open. I was like, she's got snaps on that. I don't have any snaps. I don't know that it would matter. So let's look at the fabric. This fabric line is really pretty. It really is. I like it a lot. We got our purple florals and our purple something. Oh, I really like that. Sorry if y'all can hear my son. He's playing his game. And there's a gold color of the flowers. I've made a kind of gold quilt. It's not my go-to, but the gold accents really look nice with the other colors. That's green. This is pretty. This is part of y'all. It's part of party. I like it. I like it. And see how pretty that gold is with them. I'm digging the gold in the winey maroony colors. I don't know. It's something I used to hate, but I'm liking it now. What is that? Oh, butterflies or moths, whatever you want to call them. So pretty. Oh, I like that. Not so much the oranges, like I like the gold. I like the gold better than the oranges. That's pretty. This line is just super cute. Super cute. Oh, this one's my favorite. That purple and this pink of this. Can't remember if she had it in the... Yep, she's got it in there on that purse. So, are these upside down? Yeah, probably. What's up with the moths? Moths eat your fabric, and they got all the moths on the fabric. Are we getting back at them by making them beautiful and useful and not hating them now? Lord. All right, so day 14, day 15. Ooh. I got Charm Pack confetti. Show you those purses again. Well, if I can get past this, I don't know that I've ever made a bag. But y'all can watch me mess it up and learn what not to do. I'm okay with that. I guess I can say at least I tried. I can't remember if I've tried to make one or not. I tried to make bowl cozies but didn't finish them. But it's okay. As long as we're trying and we're learning as we go. Y'all already know you're super, you're great, you're wonderful. You give me lots of wonderful ideas. And I appreciate it. So, thanks for joining if you have. If you haven't, Please like and subscribe. It helps me out. If I reach 500, I'm going to give y'all a giveaway. I got plenty of stuff I could give away. So hit the like, the subscribe, the thumbs up. What do you call it? The bell, ding, ding, whatever's down there to hit. Hit it. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.